Hi there. If you're watching this on YouTube, or you're wanting to watch any of my content on my channel, or both for that matter, I would strongly recommend hitting the subscribe button and comment and like on any videos if you may wish, because this is a general audience channel. Also, this video is not made for kids, it is for older fans and adults alike. So please sit back and enjoy the video.
Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Disney Pixar Cars diecast review. And today we're going to take a look at Cryptid Buster Lightning McQueen from the Cars on the Road episode, The Legend. Before we get right into the unboxing and the review, I have a few announcements to make. One, I apologize for not making any Cars reviews because the SD card on my camera needed some reformatting a few weeks ago. And two, I'd like to thank everybody for hitting me 8,200 subscribers. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. Here we've got Lightning McQueen's Cryptid Buster artwork for Cars on the Road. The background, the iconic old school Cars logo, name saying Cryptid Buster Lightning McQueen, his diecast sealed in, metal logo, Mattel logo, and on the back we have the red background as seen in the Cars on the Road logo, metal logo, and the cars featured on the back are Logan Gearsole, who I don't have, Barney Cones, who I don't have, Margaret Motoray, who I don't have, and the three cars that I already have are Caveman Lightning McQueen, Niles Speedcomb, and Classic Regular Mater, although I believe this is the Classic Mater with the working tow hook, which I tried to find at a Walmart while finding this at a Walmart weeks ago, but the Mater with the working tow hook wasn't there, so I'm still keeping my eyes out open for it, though. 2021 Mattel, made in Thailand, Mattel logo, empowering generations through play, Disney/Pixar, www.disney.com/cars. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the unboxing. I'll be back as soon as this has been unboxed. Here we have Lightning McQueen in Cryptid Buster form, all opened up and out of the package. In the Cars on the Road episode, The Legend, while joining a group of Cryptid Busters on a mission for a Bigfoot, Lightning McQueen and Mater got upgraded with searchlights. During the search, the Bigfoot spotted Lightning and tried to outrun it, but ended up slamming into a tree. Lightning woke up to find that he was captured, and the Bigfoot turned out to be a monster truck named Ivy. After hearing some stories from her, Lightning and Ivy, alongside Mater, played a trick on the Cryptid Busters to scare them away. During his diecast releases, he was released 2 times as a single for 2023 and 2024. And he shares the same body mold as his other variants, such as Road Trip Lightning McQueen, and of course, the regular Cars 3 Lightning McQueen, my all-time favorite variant since 2017. And now, without any further ado, let's dive right into the review. Here we've got his bright red paint job, his working headlights, and his weird smiling facial expression, the Radiator Springs Road Trip logo on his hood, and the searchlights on the top, which I think the last 2 times he had searchlights on the top was that during, was it the 2 times, one time when he was participating in the Race-O-Rama series in the Cars Race-O-Rama video game, and during the Radiator Springs 500.5 in the 2014 Cars tune short of its namesake. And we've also got the antenna. And on both sides we've got the bright red rims on the Blackwall Lightyear racing tires, and the exhaust pipes, and the camo patterns, and the gas cap, and the Cryptid Buster logo, and the iconic ducktail spoiler. And on the back we got the bright red background, the dark and the red working taillights, and the yellow 95 on the very right. We've got and on the undercarriage we've got the tow hitch, indicating for the mater with the working tow hook. And we have another tow hitch made in Thailand, Mattel, Disney/Pixar. And that is it. So, as you can see here, Cryptid Buster McQueen almost shares the exact same Road Trip decal as the Road Trip McQueen. So they both share the same Road Trip decal on the hood. Both have the working headlights. Both have the ducktail spoiler. Both have the yellow 95 on the very back, and no tampos at all. Both of them have red rims on the Blackwall Lightyear racing tires, and no tampos on the hood, no 95 on the top, nor name signature. Searchlights, no searchlights. 95 on a yellow lightning bolt, camo patterns in the Cryptid Buster logo, happy expression, awkward smiling expression, and he also shares the same body mold as the regular Cars 3 Lightning McQueen. And now let's pull up some of his other variants that share his body mold. and also his other variants from the Cars on the Road episodes. We have Road Trip Lightning McQueen from the whole Cars on the Road series, Caveman Lightning McQueen, and Deputy Hazard Lightning McQueen, and his other variants that have his body mold, Regular Cars 3 McQueen, my all-time favorite, Rusty's Intro Lightning McQueen, Rusty's Racing Center Lightning McQueen, and Superhero Lightning McQueen from Halloween of 2017 at Cars Land. And that is it. So what do you guys think? Which Lightning McQueen variant sharing the Cryptid Buster McQueen's body mold is your favorite? For me, my all-time favorites, Regular Cars 3 Lightning McQueen from 2017. And which car do you wish for me to record next? Let me know what you think, as well as leaving suggestions in the comments down below. And if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out some of my other videos on my channel. And I hope to see you guys next time for another Cars diecast review, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye now!